Hi, it's Mr. V, and so today I thought we'd go through a couple of the problems from our work tonight. I'm looking at the fifth root of 891, and I'm going to do the prime factors of this. I'll start with the smallest ones that I can, which is 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3, and 11. And as you can see, that this is the same thing as the fifth root of 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 11. I'll draw a hockey stick here showing all the prime factors. If you organize them from least to greatest, you end up with a hockey stick. So when I do this, the fifth root, there are no 5 terms that are the same. So you can't have, you can't take anything out from under the radical. So we'll stick it in our calculator and approximate this as 3.890, and I'll drop the 2 because that's not 5 or more for the approximation. This next one, it's very similar to the first one. We're going to do prime factorization of each of the 2 terms. We'll start with the numbers. 27 is 3 times 3 times 3, and as you can see, you have a triple here. You have three threes underneath the radical sign, so one of them can come out. If you had a square root, you would want doubles under the radical. For triples, for cube root, you want triples. Same with for fifth root, you want 5 of them to be under the radical in order to take one out. So this simplifies as 3 times r. This is interesting. We're going to do factor it and see if we can come up with a factor. Remember, the square goes in the one corner, the constant goes in the other. I need 2 numbers that add to give me the middle term, the 4a. So I'll start with 2a and 2a, and 1 and 1. And sure enough, 1 times 2a is 2a, and 1 times 2a is 2a, and those 2 add to give me 4a. So the factors of this is the square root of 2a plus 1 and 2a plus 1, which is a perfect square. So the square root of a perfect square is the radicand. So we're going to have, that's going to be 2a plus 1. So we're going to do the cube root of 2z quantity to the 6th power. And notice when you take the cube root, that's the same thing as raising it to the 1/3 power. So I could write this as 2z to the 6th raised to the 1/3 power. And our property of power of a power is that you multiply the 2 exponents. So we'll have 2z to the 6th times 1/3, which is 2z to this to squared. Or you have to, and then using the product of powers rule, you have to distribute the 2. So it's 2 squared times z squared, or 4z squared. And good luck and success.